So here I executed this trade because in the hourly chart, in the 5-minute chart, we are back below the VWAP. We took this high, we entered this distribution area. Furthermore, the point of control shift higher with 930 contracts. That's why I executed this trade. I want to target these equal lows, which is the first present fair value gap. It's 940 present fair value gap before 10 a.m. where the price was accumulating in this area. We are slightly 10 minutes to PM session. So let's see if we get a run, another liquidity run below these equal lows in the 5 minutes time frame. We are having a drop. Let's see if we can make a new low. Once we make a new low, I would like to find a new opportunity to add to my short position and move the stop lower. I am waiting for the PM session to start to see the first candles appear on 13. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. The price, this to me is mostly looks like a bull flag, but we do have equal lows in here. So based on the current structure of 15 minutes time frame and this big bullish, while we are making this channel at the highs, so we do have this channel. So if this channel in the 15 minutes time frame holds, we are looking at a new visit to the lower part of the channel. That's something around $23,000 or $24,000 area. But my target is these lows. I do have the point of control to back me up. Point of control is currently 942 contracts at $24,300. So what's the risk to reward of this trade? 1 to 2 will be below these lows, and 1 to 3 would be here. If I had 2 contracts on, I could aim for 1 to 3 as well, but since I only have 1 contract, perhaps it's better if I keep it 1 to 2. So first reaction, the PM session was having a sell-off. Okay, there you go. You're approaching a profit. So this trade was simple. We returned below the fair value gap from this high. It hasn't been, it's not closed yet, but let's explain it. We returned below it after we run liquidity above this high. So the 5 minutes chart, we do have a fair value gap that the price respected it in here. And then once the price in the 1 minute chart returned back this fair value gap, I entered one short position at $24,304 right here. I was in loss for, I don't know, less than a minute, and then the price at 13 came to my favor. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I do expect the price to go and tap into these equal lows, so that's a big possibility. However, since I had only 1 contract on, I couldn't keep the trade bigger and longer. So that's about it, guys. I will see you all tomorrow on London session. I will be live during London session as well. I trade twice a day, once during London session and once during New York session. I also publish daily market analysis at noon. You can see how I execute those plans when I stream. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. See you in the next stream.